Why integrate Zoom with Google Calendar?
Connecting Zoom to Google Calendar makes scheduling and joining video meetings fast and simple. This integration lets you add Zoom meeting links directly to calendar events, send invites automatically, and join calls with a single click. If you want to streamline your workflow and avoid missed meetings, this setup is a game changer.
What you'll need:
before you begin, make sure you have a Zoom account and access to Google Calendar. For the best experience, use a computer and the latest versions of your browser. You'll also need permission to install apps or extensions if your Google account is managed by a school or workplace.
Installing the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on.
Start by installing the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on. Go to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Zoom. Click Install and follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This add-on connects your Zoom and Google accounts, enabling you to add Zoom meeting links directly from within Google Calendar.
Scheduling a Zoom meeting via Google Calendar.
Once the add-on is installed, create a new event in Google Calendar. Click on the Add Conferencing or Make it a Zoom Meeting button. Sign in to your Zoom account if prompted. A unique Zoom link will appear in the event details, and invitees will receive it automatically in their calendar invitation.
Joining and managing meetings with ease.
When it's time for your meeting, just click the Zoom link in your Google Calendar event. The integration also allows you to edit or cancel meetings, and updates will be reflected in both Zoom and your calendar invites. This saves time and keeps your schedule organized so you're always ready for your calls.
Recap and tips for troubleshooting.
Integrating Zoom with Google Calendar is a straightforward process that boosts productivity. If you encounter issues, double-check that your accounts are correctly linked and make sure any browser pop-up blockers are disabled. For work or school accounts, contact your IT admin if you need further permission. Enjoy seamless video meetings with your connected calendar.